Good morning, children. Today we are going to do revision of Marigold textbook, Unit 3. The chapter name is Little by Little. We are going to do the exercise now. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. What we have to do, here sentences are given. From these sentences we have to select A, B, C, D. 3 are there. From 3, 1 is correct. We have to see which answer is correct and we have to write in the blank and we have to put a tick. Shall we start? Okay. Number 1. An acorn is the fruit of the dash tree. An acorn is the fruit of the dash tree. A. Oak. B. Mango. C. Apple. D. Banyan. What is the correct answer? A. Oak. A. Oak is the correct answer. 2 number. Where is the acorn hidden? Where is the acorn hidden? Options: A. In the tree. B. Above the earth. C. In the seed. D. Deep in the earth. So what is the correct answer? Where is the acorn hidden? Deep in the earth. 3 number. What does a seed need to grow? Tree and leaves. B. Water and sunlight. C. Soil and roots. D. Soil and sunlight. So what does a seed need to grow? What is the correct answer? Water and sunlight. B1. 4th. What grows under the ground? What grows under the ground? Shoot, branches, roots, leaves. So what is the correct answer? What grows under the ground? Roots. What do we find under the ground? Roots. C. So we will repeat once again. Write the correct option A, B, C or D. An acorn is the fruit of the tree. An acorn is the fruit of the tree. Of the dash tree. So what is the correct answer? Oak. O-A-K, oak. 2 number. Where is the acorn hidden? In the tree, above the earth, in the seed, deep in the earth. The correct answer is deep in the earth. What does a seed need to grow? Water and sunlight. What grows under the ground? Roots. Now we'll go to the next page. 5 number. What comes out above the ground? What comes out above the ground? A. Roots. B. Shoot. C. Seed. D. Soil. What is the correct answer? B. Shoot. What happens? What appears on the branches? 6 number. What appears on the branches? A. Seeds. B. Shoot. C. Leaves. D. Roots. What is the correct answer? C. Leaves. 7 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with said? S-A-I-D, said. A. B-E-D, bad. B. Due. C. Day. D. Away. So what is the correct answer? Bad. B-E-D, bad. Said rhymes with B-E-D, bad. 8 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with away? D-E-W, due. B-E-D, bad. S-A-I-D, said. D-A-Y, day. So what is the correct answer? D-A-Y, day. Which word in the poem rhymes with grew? Away. B. Bad. C. Due. D. Day. So what is the correct answer? C. Due. 10 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with root? Wide. A. B. Shoot. C. Due. D year. What is the correct answer? Shoot. Rhyming words you are following na children. ROOT root. So SHOOT shoot. Root shoot. It should rhyme together. Which word in the poem rhymes with appear? A wide, B year, C pride, D shoot. So what will be? B year. 12 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with pride? A wide, B appear, C root, D year. What is the correct answer? Wide. What is the correct answer? Wide. So once again we will repeat the exercise. The sentence is: what comes out above the ground? Shoot. What comes out above the ground? The answer is shoot. 6 number. What appears on the branches? The answer is leaves. What appears on the branches? The answer is leaves. 7 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with said? So the answer is bed. A number. 8 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with away? So the answer is day. Answer is day. 9 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with grew? The answer is dew. Which word in the poem rhymes with root? So the answer is shoot. Which word in the poem rhymes with appear? The answer is year. Which word in the poem rhymes with pride? The answer is wide. Now we'll go to the next page. Now this is another exercise, same only. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. The first one. Now this is the exercise of the enumerous turnip. Number 1. Who planted the turnip? A boy, B girl, C old man, D old woman. What is the correct answer? C old man. What did the old man plant? Turnip seeds, mango seeds, apple seeds, carrot seeds. So what is the correct answer? Turnip seeds. 3. The turnip was small, B quite big, C tiny, D enormous. So what is the correct answer? The turnip was enormous. So the D is the correct answer. 4 number. Which of the following vegetables grows under the ground? A brinjal, B potato, C peas, D tomato. What is the correct answer? B potato. So we'll repeat once again all the exercise. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Number 1. Who planted the turnip seeds? Old man. What did the old man plant? Turnip seeds. The turnip was enormous. Which of the following vegetables grow under the ground? Potato. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. You have to write this exercise in your English notebook. You have to write this exercise in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.